Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an inspired makeup look. This look is inspired by Alia Bhatt's upcoming movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. She is wearing this look in the trailer of the movie and I thought of recreating this look for you guys. But before going towards the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will give the Instagram handle on the screen as well as in the description box. First of all, I will start with a primer, and the primer which I am using here is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Whenever you are applying any kind of base makeup, make sure you are using a primer because it creates a sticky base for your base makeup. So I will dot it all over my face and then I will use my fingers to blend the primer into my skin. To moisturize my lips, I am using Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Now coming towards the base makeup, the foundation which I am using is Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation in the shade W120 Warm Creme. I will dot it all over my face and neck and then I will use a foundation brush to blend it into my skin. To hide the darkness and highlight my eye area, I will use Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade 01. I will apply it all over my eyelid area as well as in the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. To set the concealer and whole of the base makeup, I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 01 Ivory Creme. I will tap it on my under eye area as well as all over my face. To set the base makeup completely, I am using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Setting Spray. I will spray it all over my face and neck area. Now it's time to fill our eyebrows. And first of all, I will use a spoolie to brush my eyebrow hair in one direction. And then I will use an eyebrow pencil. The eyebrow pencil which I am using here is from Lakme. First of all, I will start filling the middle section of my eyebrows. And then I will go towards the end of my eyebrows. And then I will come towards the starting of my eyebrows. And as you can see, I am using very light hands while filling the eyebrows. Because if I will use hard hands, my eyebrows will start looking unnatural. And after doing this, I will use a spoolie once again to blend all the product seamlessly. In the same way, I will fill my other eyebrow as well, and you can see very clearly what difference it made to my face. Now I will take this brown eyeshadow and with a flat brush I will apply it all over my lid area. When I saw Alia Bhatt's picture, I saw that she had just applied this kind of brown eyeshadow and nothing else on her eyes. So I will apply this eyeshadow till the time I get the perfect intensity, and then I will blend the edges with a blending brush. Now I will take Sugar Face Palette in the shade 01 and I will take this highlighter shade. I will highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Here I am not doing any intense highlighting. I am just brushing the product on my eyebrow as well as my inner corner of the eyes. Now comes my favorite part, that is applying the kajal. The kajal which I am using here is from Color Bar Cosmetics, and first of all I will draw a thin line on the waterline and then I will thicken the line with the kajal itself. Now to intensify the kajal further, I will use a black eyeshadow and an angular brush. You can take any black eyeshadow. Then I will apply the eyeshadow just below where I applied the kajal. As you can see, I am not just dabbing the eyeshadow, but I am literally drawing a line with the eyeshadow. With mascara, I will finally complete the eye makeup, and the mascara which I am using here is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It is the washable version. I will apply the mascara on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes. Now I am once again taking this Sugar Face palette, and I will use this contouring shade to contour my cheeks and my jawlines. I am using very less contouring today because in the trailers Alia seemed to wear very light contouring. I always skip my nose and my forehead because I have very thin nose and my forehead is also very small. Now it's time for blush, and I will use the same blush which is available in the Sugar Face palette. Alia is wearing the exact shade of blush in the trailer, that is very light peachy blush. First of all, I will apply it on my cheeks and then I will blend the blush towards the hairline. Now I am once again taking the highlighter shade from Sugar Face palette, and I will use it just on my nose because when I saw the trailer I felt that only Alia's nose is highlighted. For my lipstick I am using this peachy pink nude shade. This is Color Bar Cosmetics Matte Touch Lipstick in the shade Stardust. To get the exact intensity of color I am just dabbing the lipstick on my lips. For the bindi I am using a red lipstick, and with the lipstick brush I will apply a round bindi little bit above my eyebrows, and after this I will wear my nose ring and I will apply the nazar ka tika with a black kajal, and I also applied alta on my fingers as Alia had applied. And with this I am completing this inspirational makeup look. So please let me know how you liked it and whether you liked it or not, and how much this is closer to the look which Alia is wearing. Do comment, like and share my videos with your friends and family if you like my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button. I will soon meet you with my other video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.